Hey guys, Alex here. This is a sample of a product that we bought over in China. So this is it's basically a camera recorder. So you probably have in a car, you want to make sure if you have an accident, you're protected, right? So this actually does two things. There's a screen here that will actually give you a reverse camera image. You actually got it here. You have to wire it into your car, right? It's a reverse image camera, and so that when you're doing reversing, you can sort of see that. It's also got a camera right here as well, which does record the front. So you've got front and rear vision with this particular product. We bought this at the wholesale markets over in Guangzhou. I went there to the Canton Fair. It's a reasonably it's a good quality product. Now it's a bit techy. It's not a simple product by any means. Okay, this is something I would do maybe on my second product if you're getting started on Amazon, and you get a simple product to start off with, right? But your second product, maybe your third product, you might want to go a bit techy, all right? And this is an example of a particular product. Now, right now, I'm not actually considering selling this on Amazon. We just kind of wanted to test this out for ourselves personally, right? But these are always going to be in demand, if not even more. Insurance companies actually reward you if you have something like this in Australia, right? But everyone has a car, or a lot of people have cars, and they're going to need something like this. So there is going to be an emerging market for new or rehashed products that kind of meet the market like this, because this does both. All right, so it does rear and front, and it records everything. So if someone rear ends you, that's recorded on camera, right? But the packaging is perfect. It has all the features there, right? It's quite good here. You probably don't need to do customized packaging. And like I said, guys, this wouldn't be your first product. This would maybe be your second or maybe your third product, all right? So you bring out. But again, you got to do the research. You got to make sure it is actually making money. You got to make sure it's doing turnover. You got to look at the reviews, and you got to look at other things. Like maybe you do want to brand it. If you want to brand it, then you got to tell the supplier, guys, put my logo on here. A lot of, actually, I'd say about 90% of our students end up going down the avenue of branding the product themselves. And I think it's a fantastic idea to do, and I think you should consider that as well, all right? Have a great day, guys. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. If you need some questions answered, jump on our free, we do these online trainings every day. They're free, complimentary. Jump on, and I actually show you and guide you on what to look for in terms of your product, all right? Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.